Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine. Well, today I'm going to talk about the stocks, the stock market, you and the commodity markets. Since 2 weeks I've started giving Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions. I just wanted to review my predictions of last week. I had given you all some predictions last week and regarding Bank Nifty and Nifty, and I wanted to review those predictions of mine with you all. Last week I had told you all that the markets could remain from flat to positive, and as you all saw this week, that is from the 4th of November 2024, that the markets have remained from flat to positive. Yes, it went down substantially. But it recovered from there. As I had told you all that the markets would recover, and they have recovered. They have recovered substantially. Let me just tell you all one more thing, that I'm going to even talk about y'all in this video. Not only the stocks, nor the stock market. I'm going to talk about y'all as well. Yes, y'all are the most important thing in this universe. I mean, you are the most important thing in this universe, in this world. Because if you aren't there, this world is not there. World is not there for you. So I'm going to talk about y'all as well. I just want to see if I'm getting some live reactions from y'all or not. Can you all see me at this point in time? If you all can see me, can you please send me some messages? Okay, now let me just review my Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions in front of you all. See, I had given you all a lower level of 23,917. And I had given you all a higher level of 24,589. Yes, I had given you all these levels on the Nifty. Now you see, on the 4th, the low the Nifty made was 23,816. Yes, it hit a low of 23,816 on the 4th of November 2024. And on the 5th of November 2024, the Nifty hit a level of 23,844. I mean, the lower level it hit was 23,842. And today, as you all saw, it started trading above that level where it closed on Thursday. Yes, I had told you all clearly that the markets would start trading in the positive territory this week. If y'all had listened to my predictions, y'all will remember that I had told you all clearly that the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty would trade in the positive territory. And that exactly has happened this week. Well, I may be wrong sometimes, and I can be terribly wrong. I admit I have been wrong in the past, but more often than not with my Bank Nifty and Nifty predictions, I have been right. Let me tell you one more thing, that it is not very wise to gamble in the stock market. Don't look for instant gratifications in the stock market. If you really want to earn money in the stock market, you need to look for delayed gratification. Yes, not instant gratification. Delayed gratification. If you are looking to earn money within 1 or 2 hours or within a day, then this market will not give you any money. This isn't going to give you any money. Yes, the stock market is a device from transferring the money from the impatient to the patient. Yes, you heard me correctly, that the stock market is a device from transferring the money from the impatient to the patient. Do you agree with me? If you agree with me, press the like button. Yes, stock market is a device of transferring the money from the impatient. The person who is impatient, he will lose money. And the person who is patient, he is gonna earn money. So if you are taking an intraday trade, it is a huge risk you are taking. Yes, but if you plan your strategy in the stock market, if you play long term in the stock market, if you invest your money for the long term, you are gonna make a lot of money. Just like just like Mr. Warren Buffett, just like Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and many others. Yes, this is the secret of success in the stock market, to stay invested for the long term. Well, if you all want to know about your future, you all can send me your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth, and I can answer your questions now. If you want to know about yourself, if you want to plan your life through astrology and numerology, you are most welcome to give me your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth, and then I can start giving you all your answers to your questions. Yes, now I want to tell you all about my gold and silver predictions. Yes, this week, okay, just let me first review my Bank Nifty and Nifty predictions. Mine Bank Nifty on the lower side was 50,535. And let me see what the Bank Nifty did this week. Just let me see that. Okay, Bank Nifty this week hit a low of 50,865. And I had told you all 50,535. And on the higher side, I had told you all the higher level of the range which I had given you all was 52,226. And as you all can see, the Bank Nifty has already hit that high of 52,226. It is currently trading at around 52,349. Well, I am not telling this to impress you all, but to impress upon you all the power of astrology and numerology. Yes, I have been working on this subject, this astrology and numerology, since 32 years now. And I want to prove to you all that this subject, this astrology and numerology is quite accurate. It might not be 100% accurate, but it is quite accurate. So if you also want to know about your future, your business, your career, your job, your relationships, your love relationships, your marriage, your married life, your children, your property, your education, etc., 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 then you may also contact me. Well, I'm seeing Mr. Tushar Naik sending me his date of birth. No, I want your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. Yes, I require all those three details before I can, start giving predictions about a particular person. And if you want to consult me regarding your horoscope, you're most welcome to do so. So now you see my predictions about Nifty and Bank Nifty have been quite accurate this week. I'm not saying it's gonna be 100% accurate. Nobody is 100% accurate in this particular market. Yes, nobody does so well their predictions that they are 100% accurate. But I'll try to give you all some good predictions for the next week as well. So you can please watch my YouTube channel and look for my Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions for every week. Now you see, I also make gold and silver predictions. Yes, if you want to know about gold and silver, you can go to my YouTube channel Shri Aashish and watch my videos every week. I give those predictions every week. So if you want to know about the range of gold and silver regarding a particular week, you can watch my YouTube channel Shri Aashish, and you can know about the range of the gold and silver prices. Well, this week I had given you all a range of, just let me review my predictions regarding gold now. You see, regarding gold, I had told you all that the gold could trade between levels of 2689 and 2780. Yes, regarding gold, I had told you all that the gold could trade between levels of 2689 and 2780. And let me just see what happened to gold this week. Let me just review my gold predictions with y'all. Yes, just give me a moment. So this week, gold has, just give me a moment. Okay, this week gold has hit a low of 2701 already. It has hit a low of 2701 already today itself. Yes, and on the higher side, it has already hit a level of 2750. Yes, the gold has hit a level of 2750. On the higher side, 2750, and on the lower end it has already hit a level of 2701. So I am well within the range which I had given you all. My predictions are well on track for this particular week. Well, now currently the gold is trading at 2725. Yes, it is trading at 2725, and I hope that the gold stays within this range. Just let me see who has. Okay, Mr. Jagdish has messaged me and he has sent me his date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. And just give me a moment, let me just, what are your questions, Mr. Jagdish? May I ask you, what are your questions? Yes, what are your questions for this, for yourself? Just let me make your horoscope right now. Wait. Before I start giving you predictions. Well, I don't seem, it doesn't seem that you are online right now, Mr. Jagdish. Are you there with me online? Mr. Vishwadham has sent me his date of birth, place of birth, not his time of birth. So, but I require, your time of birth as well. So, Mr. Jagdish, if you have any questions, please let me know. I've already made your horoscope right now. Okay, so now let us get back to, Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, see, today I believe that the markets are going to close in the green. I have no doubt that the markets are not going to close in the green today. It's already 1% higher on the Nifty, almost 1% higher on the Nifty. And on the Bank Nifty, it's almost 0.28% higher. So I believe that, the markets are going to close in the green today. And in spite of whatever happens in the US elections, whether Trump wins or Miss Harris wins, I don't think so the Indian markets are going to go down during this week. So every dip should be bought into. It's as simple as that. Yes, it's as simple as that. Okay, sure, Mr. Jagdish, I will let you know. Mr. Jagdish, according to your horoscope, your financial issues are going to get over, is going to completely get over after the 29th of May 2025. Yes, you heard me correctly. After 29th of May 2025, your problems regarding finances are gonna get over. They are not gonna, and gradually you are gonna see tremendous improvement in your finances after that. Yes, after May 2025. Don't worry, there is nothing to worry about. You will meet all your expenses comfortably after that. Whatever your problems are regarding your finances is going to mitigate, alleviate very soon. So, nothing to worry, Mr. Jagdish. Carry on with your life, keep trying. Like everybody tries, you need to try as well. Like I say, try again. If you do not succeed at first, try again. Yes, trying is the only way we know whether we will succeed or not. So keep trying, but the planetary positions, the stars are gonna favor you after May 2025. And I'm 100% certain you are gonna emerge successful after that. So if anybody else is there, Mahesh K has asked me, Guruji, will Nifty touch new high this month? Oh no, it's not gonna touch a new high this month. No, it doesn't seem so. Not this month at least. Yes, definitely it would remain in the positive territory this week. But regarding next week, I will give my predictions and you can check my predictions which I give on Thursdays in English and in Hindi on Saturdays. And my gold and silver videos will be available for you on Mondays. So if you want to know about commodity, if you want to know about gold, if you want to know about silver, if you want to know about Nifty, the Bank Nifty, you're most welcome to visit my YouTube channel Shri Aashish and watch my videos. And you need to follow me regularly so that you have a better idea about my predictions. So I don't see anybody messaging me right now. Okay, so now if you all want to know anything else about yourself or about the Nifty or the Bank Nifty, you're most welcome to message me and ask me your queries, and I'll be glad to answer your queries. Mr. Jagdish writes, Guruji, can you consider giving index range on monthly basis, please? I haven't thought of giving index range regarding monthly predictions on monthly basis. I haven't considered that as yet. But in the future, I might. Yes, I might. So if you all have any other questions, please keep sending me questions so that I can answer. So now last Thursday I had told you all very clearly that the Nifty and the Bank Nifty would start trading above those levels where it closed on Thursday, which was the 31st of October 2024. Yes, and as you all can see today, the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty predictions of mine have been absolutely accurate, have been bang on. So if you want such predictions from me, you're most welcome to contact me personally also. If you want a daily prediction of gold or silver, you can contact me also. Well, Mr. Hiramat has said that Thank you. You're welcome, Mr. Hiramat. I hope I'm pronouncing your title correctly. Yes. So, anything else if you want from me, please do message me. So for the time being, Nifty is at a very good level, 24,459 currently, and Bank Nifty is trading at 52,333. So at these levels also, any dip should be bought into. Yes, for this week, my advice to y'all would be that any dip should be bought into. And just let me tell you that I'm not a stock market expert. I'm just an astrologer, a Vastu consultant, a mistake. I do prayers for people. Yes, I do prayers for people. If you want me to pray for you, I can do that. If you want me to pray for your health, wealth, success, money, business, career, job, relationships, love relationships, marriage, married life, children. If you want to know about your future, yes, if you want to know about your future, if you want to plan your life through astrology and numerology, then you can definitely contact me. Yes, you can plan your life through astrology and numerology. Well, there is a saying in English that if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Yes, if you fail to plan in your life, you plan to fail in your life. That means, so if you should do some planning in your life, because planning is important in your life. You should plan every day, your every minute, your every hour should be planned, so that you don't waste your time in your life. Your time is precious. It is absolutely precious. So if you squander your time just watching TV, just watching sports, just watching others, what they are doing, that is not a good way to live your life. So you need to utilize your time, and that can only happen if you plan your life, if you plan your day, if you plan your hour. So my suggestion to you would be that you need to plan your life, and one way of planning your life could be through astrology and numerology. Well, according to me, Mr. Jagdish writes, Guruji, when will be the next major correction in the stock market in the next 2 years? I think there is a major correction in the offing in the next 2 years that could happen sometime between 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2025. Yes, between 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2025, there could be a major correction in the stock market. Yes, there could be a major correction in the stock markets of this world. Not only the Indian markets, also in the world markets, you all could see a correction. हाँ अमित जी, ज़रूर मैं मंथली प्रिडिक्शंस आप लोगों को देने की ज़रूर कोशिश करूँगा. अभी फ़िलहाल तो मैं वीकली प्रिडिक्शंस दे रहा हूँ, और अगर आपको मेरी वीकली प्रिडिक्शंस देखनी है तो आप सैटरडे को मेरी निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी की प्रिडिक्शंस देख सकते हैं. हाँ जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो और भी कुछ अगर लोग जुड़ रहे हैं अभी, तो आप ज़रूर मेरे से अपना प्रश्न पूछ सकते हैं. अभी मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, तो अगर कोई भी अपने निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी, गोल्ड, सिल्वर के बारे में पूछना चाहता है अभी, तो आप ज़रूर मेरे से अभी पूछ सकते हैं. मैं अभी लाइव हूँ यूट्यूब पे. मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं रोज़ लाइव आऊँ और आपके प्रश्नों का जवाब दे सकूँ. मैं ज़रूर वो करूँगा. अभी के फिलहाल मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कोई अभी क्वेश्चंस है। अगर कोई क्वेश्चंस करना चाहता है तो ज़रूर मेरे से कर सकता है अभी। नाउ यू सी, you see, today morning I was bearish on gold as well as silver, and on the MCX, as you can see, silver touched a low of 91,490 and gold touched a low of 77,504 today. And since morning I was bearish on gold and silver, and I had told you all, and I had told my, you know, the people who are, you know, associated with me, I had told them very clearly that gold and silver would be bearish today, and I had given them some levels regarding gold and silver, and those levels of mine, those daily levels on gold and silver were quite accurate today. I expect the gold and silver to rebound from a level of 91,088. Yes, if I'm talking about silver. If gold touches a level of 91,088 in the next few days, it can rebound from there. Yes, it can rebound from those levels and it can start trading in the positive territory after that. And if it touches a level of 77,253 on gold on the MCX, it can rebound from there and it can start trading in the positive territory after that for quite some time. If you want to know about when gold and silver prices could rebound from lower levels, you can contact me personally over my WhatsApp number. Well, Mr. Hiramat, I will definitely give y'all's monthly predictions as well. But for right now, I haven't seen the horoscope where I can give you monthly predictions immediately. So I'll try to make a video on that, or I'll come live and tell you all about monthly predictions. Mr. Girish has asked me, should I invest in solar sector, defense sector? I think, Mr. Girish, you need to wait before you start investing your money. You know, if you want to invest for the long term, I think next year would be the right time for you to invest in the market, whether it is in the solar sector or in the defense sector or any other sector, financial sector or real estate sector, because I believe that the markets are going to correct next year. And they are going to correct substantially next year. They are going to correct at least 15 to 20% next year. So if the markets correct between 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2025, at least 15% if they correct, you can get very good prices on your stock if you want to invest for the long term. Yes, you should always think long term. As I told you just now, that the stock market is a device of transferring the money from the impatient to the patient. So be patient while buying. Be patient, Mr. Hiramat. That would be my advice to you. Well, it seems Mr. Arun Khurana writes, Guruji, 3-4 stocks under 50 rupees, 2-3 स्टॉक अंडर 100 रुपीज इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए बताएं प्लीज. ठीक है मिस्टर अरुण, एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा. देखिए मैं आज प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं हूं, मैं अपना लिस्ट नहीं मेरे सामने है जिसमें मैं अपने स्टॉक्स लिखता हूं, जो 50 रुपए के नीचे हैं और 100 रुपए के नीचे हैं, वो मैं आपको बता दूंगा नेक्स्ट अपने लाइव वीडियो में. मगर आपको जरूर मौका मिलेगा अगले साल इन्वेस्ट करने का स्टॉक मार्केट में, इस लेवल से भी नीचे जहां पे स्टॉक मार्केट्स हैं. हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, इस स्टॉक मार्केट को अभी ये जो करेक्शन हुआ है, ये कोई करेक्शन नहीं हुआ है एक्चुअली. 8-9% का कोई करेक्शन नहीं होता है. ये तो एक नॉर्मल सा करेक्शन है अरुण जी, ये नॉर्मल सा करेक्शन है. वेट करें, धैर्य रखें, लेवल्स नीचे जरूर आएंगे. और मैं आपको बताऊंगा 50 रुपए के नीचे कौन से स्टॉक खरीदने चाहिए और 100 रुपए के नीचे कौन से स्टॉक खरीदने चाहिए, बिल्कुल बताऊंगा. मिस्टर महेश लिखते हैं, थैंक्स गुरुजी फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल रिप्लाई. वेलकम मिस्टर महेश, यू मोस्ट वेलकम. So what else do you want to know? So you see, if you want to know about stocks, I will make a special live video for that, and I'll tell you about those stocks which I think can rise in the coming few months. Mr. Mahesh has given his date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. Mr. Mahesh, what do you want me to tell you? Yes, what are your questions? Let me make your horoscope first. Give me 1 minute, please. Just give me a moment. 29th of September 1969. 29th of September 1969 and 2:30 p.m. Kerala, do you have the place, the particular place in Kerala, a particular city or a particular town of Kerala? Mr. Mahesh, can you send me that? Guru V writes, when will market crash? Yes, I've already told you all. The markets is going to crash substantially between 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2025. This is a very normal correction which is happening in the stock market. Yes, the markets have fallen from around 26,200 to a level of around, right now it is currently trading at 24,461. This is a very normal correction. This is not nothing to be very alarmed about. इसमें कोई हैरत की बात नहीं है कि 5-7% स्टॉक मार्केट करेक्ट कर जाते हैं, ये होता ही है हर साल. तो ये बहुत कोई बड़ी करेक्शन नहीं है, और मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कोई करेक्शन आने वाली है अभी, कि मतलब अभी 10-15-20% गिर जाए मार्केट्स, ऐसा मुझे नहीं लगता है अभी. Yes, Mr. Ranjit Kumar writes, should we sell stocks in last December to book profits? Yes, if your vision is for the long term, Mr. Kumar, then there is no need for you to book profits. In fact, you should start averaging when the market falls in good stocks. Don't buy trash stocks, don't buy penny stocks, buy in good stocks. If you invest your money for the long term in good stocks, you don't need to sell at that point in time. You can average down your cost price. Yes, you can average down your cost price if the market falls between January and April, which I expect will fall next year, 8th of January 20, between 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2025, the stock markets can fall more than 10% during that time. Yes, the stock markets, the world stock markets, not only the Indian stock markets, the world stock markets can fall during that time. And the fall could be anywhere between 15 to 20%. Yes, you heard me correctly. The markets can correct between 15 to 20%. Yes, Guru V has written that, can we expect 20% fall? Yes, I wouldn't be surprised if it falls 20% as well. But I expect the markets to fall at least 15% during that time. Yes. So any other questions? Yes. So I'll just Mr. Mahesh, I'll just answer. What are your questions, Mr. Mahesh? I see you've sent me your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. What are your questions about yourself? You can ask me one question, Mr. Mahesh K. Yes. देखिए मैं इंट्राडे भी आप लोगों को लेवल देने की कोशिश करूंगा. I'll try to give you all intraday levels also on the Bank Nifty and Nifty. I'll start it very soon, don't worry. I'll start giving you all predictions regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty every day very soon. I'm not doing that thing right now. I'm not giving those predictions right now, but sooner or later I'll start giving everyday predictions also. Sorry about this. Mr. Prakash writes, sir, can buy silver now? Well, you should have contacted me in the morning. I would have told you to buy at a level of 92,000. 92,220, 92,235 was my target this morning for silver, and it went down to 91,490. Mr. Prem Javeri writes, when I can say 20% will be from 24K, which is now, or markets will go up. Yes, the markets are going to go up and then it's going to fall. Mr. Javeri, the markets, sir, can Reliance gain its momentum in coming days? See, I think Reliance is going to go up. What is Reliance trading at? Can you tell me? Mr. Ganesh, what is the price of Reliance right now? Just let me check. It's trading at about 1318. Yes, yes, Mr. Ganesh, let me answer you right now. Yes, during this month itself, it can go above 1353. Yes, Reliance Industries can go above a level of 1353 during this month. Yes, it can go above that level during this month. Today is the 6th. So until 30th of November 2024, I expect Reliance to go up above 1353. Mr. Ganesh, I hope I have answered your question. Amit Kumar writes 1305. Mr. Kumar, what are you asking me about 1305? Are you asking me about Reliance? Can it go down to 1305? Are you asking me about that? Mr. AP writes, sir, please can you tell us when stock market will crash badly? Thank you. I think there will be a substantial correction between 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2025. Yes, I'm confident, quite confident that the markets are going to fall between 15 to 20%. So, I am bearish on the stock markets from 8th of January 2025 until 26th of April 2025. But that doesn't mean that it's going to fall in one go. No, the stock markets never do that. But it's going to correct substantially at that point in time. हाँ, निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी और दुनिया के स्टॉक मार्केट्स गिर सकते हैं 15 से 20%। 8 जनवरी 2025 से लेकर 26 अप्रैल 2025 के बीच में मैं मंदी में रहूंगा मार्केट्स में, निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी और दुनिया के स्टॉक मार्केट्स के में। महेश जी, you asked your question. Just hold on. Let me see. Mahesh ji, I think your financial problems are going to get over. In the next 90 days, you will get some good sum of money. Good money within a span of 90 days. Things will start to change. Things will start to become positive for you. Your financial problems will get alleviated, get mitigated, will start to improve within 90 days. Yes, Mr. Mahesh, there is some good news for you. That within the next 90 days, you will get some money which will give you some relief in regard to money. Yes, financial problems are going to improve. Amit Kumar ji writes, निफ्टी कहां तक जा सकता है 31 दिसंबर तक? अमित जी, मैं प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं हूं आज इस सवाल को लेने के लिए। मैंने अभी तक देखिए, मैं तो वीकली प्रिडिक्शंस देता हूं, मैं तो मंथली प्रिडिक्शंस या महीने के प्रिडिक्शंस नहीं देता हूं। मगर ठीक है, मैं आपका ज़रूर सवाल का जवाब ज़रूर दूंगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कि 31 दिसंबर 2024 तक निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी कहां तक जा सकते हैं। उस लेवल के बारे में मैं ज़रूर बात करूंगा। हाँ, मिस्टर गणेश की जो क्वेश्चन था मैंने आंसर कर दिया है रिलायंस के बारे में। मुझे लगता है रिलायंस इस महीने 1353 के लेवल तक जा सकता है, बिल्कुल जा सकता है। Mr. Hiramat, you're most welcome. You're most welcome. So if anybody has any more questions, you're most welcome to ask me. So I'll try to come live every day for you all, and I will try to answer as many questions as possible. Madhu Kammam, Telangana. Okay, just let me answer Mr. Vishwadham's question. Financial problems. 18th of May 1977, 12:30 p.m. Well, Mr. Vishwadham, just let me write. Just let me make your horoscope first before I answer that question. In the meantime, let me tell you all, the markets are still in the positive territory. Yes, as predicted by me, the Nifty and Bank Nifty are trading much above those levels where they closed on the 31st of October 2024. These were my predictions last week, and as you all can see on your trading screen, that has exactly happened. Yes, that has exactly happened. Regarding Madhu, I want to say that your financial problems are gonna get over after 28th of July 2025. Yes, I predict that for Madhu Kamam, who's your financial problems are gonna get over after July 2025, definitely. Until then, you could face some problems, and Mr. Ganesh, I have answered regarding Reliance. Reliance Go can touch a level of 1353 during this month. Regarding Madhu Kamam, I would like to say that your financial problems are going to stay until July 2025. But after that, your financial problems are going to get over. Yes, slowly and steadily, not immediately after July 2025, but definitely after July 2025, you will see light at the end of the tunnel regarding your finances. कमलेश भाई प्रजापति, गुरुजी कोई पेनी स्टॉक बताएं। नहीं, मेरे पास वैसा कोई स्टॉक नहीं है कमलेश भाई, अगर रहेगा तो जरूर शेयर करूंगा आप लोगों के साथ। आप लोगों का फायदा हो, इससे बढ़ के खुशी मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं हो सकती। अगर आप लोग रुपया कमाए, इससे बढ़ नहीं। मिस्टर विश्वदम, मैं आपको क्या बोल रहा हूं मिस्टर विश्वदम, next year 2025, after July 2025, your financial problems, not your financial problems, Madhu's financial problems are gonna get over. Yes, they are gonna get over. Madhya Valya Hiramat writes 29th of June 2001, 8:30 p.m. Karnataka, Gulbarga. So what is your question? Mr. Hiramat? Madhivalya Hiramat. Just let me first make your horoscope. So regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty, I would like to say that it's 1:45 right now. I would say that the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty are not gonna fall very easily below a level of 24,400 today. No, they aren't going to fall down. And I expect the Bank Nifty to close above a level of 52,153 today. I'm talking about today, 6th of November 2024. Madhivalya Miss Hiramat, what is your question? Wish fulfillment mantra. Writes, Namaskar sir. Date of birth 3/7/1986. Time of birth भी चाहिए होगा. Wish fulfillment mantra. Time of birth भी आप मेरे को चाहिए होगा. खाली डेट ऑफ बर्थ से नहीं काम बनेगा. Mr. Ramesh Patel writes, Ramesh, financial problem 18/5/1973. Mr. Patel, थोड़ा मुझे ना काफ़ी हॉरोस्कोप्स आ रही हैं अभी, तो मैं आपके ज़रूर क्वेश्चन का जवाब दूंगा, बट नेक्स्ट लाइव चैट में दूंगा। अभी तो फिलहाल मेरे को ओके फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स लिए मादिवालिया हीरामत राइट्स फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स Madhivalya, let me tell you, you are going to see a significant improvement in your financial status. Improvement, I said. After November 2025. Yes, after November 2025, there will be no looking back for you. There will be no looking back for you. Oh, yes, Mr. Vishal, definitely. You can definitely know if your horoscope is suitable for trading in stock market or not. You can definitely know. Yes, you can know about. Can we know our horoscope is suitable for trading in stock market? Yes, you can definitely know, Mr. Vishal. But as I told you, it's better not to trade in the stock market. It's better to invest. You know, anybody who has made big money in the stock market, they have made big money through investing. I hardly know any person. Yes, I know few people who make money very regularly in trading, but their horoscope supports trading. They are, one day they are up 25 lakhs, the next day they are up 30 lakhs, and all of a sudden they lose 50 lakhs during one day. But on the whole, they are making money in trading. It's not that nobody makes money in trading. Definitely some people do make money in trading. But your horoscope, your charts, your planets should support you in trading, in stock market trading activities, in gambling activities. Yes, your horoscope should be, strong enough to support you in gambling and trading activities in the stock market. But see, this is the capital market. The stock markets, as you all know, is capital market. So you need a lot of capital if you want to make money. And I would suggest you to think long term. Don't think short term. Don't look for instant gratifications in the stock market. Look for delayed gratifications in the stock market. People who have invested their money for years, they have made millions and billions of dollars in the stock market. One example, Mr. Warren Buffett and our very own Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. He's made a fortune investing in the stock markets. Very few people make money in trading. So don't look for instant gratifications. Don't look to earn money on a daily basis. Try to think long term, and then you will make money. And don't think stock market to be a gambling den here, a casino. If you treat that way, you lose money. Yes, you are going to lose money. Wish fulfillment mantra. Mr. Wish fulfillment mantra. Yes. You've sent me your date of birth. I would just request you to please send me your details the next time. Next time I would take some more questions regarding date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. Yes, regarding your future, your personal future, I would like to take questions the next time. हाँ ज़रूर मैं आपके क्वेश्चंस का जवाब दूंगा. विश फुलफिलमेंट मंत्र नेक्स्ट टाइम ज़रूर दूंगा. मैं ट्राई करूंगा, मैं रोज आऊँ लाइव, आप लोग से बात करूं, रोज आप लोगों को क्वेश्चंस का आंसर्स दूं, आप लोगों की जितनी मदद हो सकेगी ज़रूर करूंगा. खुराना साहब, वही विनती आपसे करना चाहूँगा कि अगली बार आप मेरे को अपना डेट ऑफ बर्थ, टाइम ऑफ बर्थ, प्लेस ऑफ बताएं और मैं आप लोगों के क्वेश्चंस के जवाब ज़रूर दूंगा, ज़रूर। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। आज के लिए बहुत बहुत आप लोगों का शुक्रिया, आप लोग मेरे से ज्वाइन किए हो आज। You all have joined me for this live stream, and I hope to answer all your queries in my next video, in my next live session with you all. Thank you very much for everything. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.